Hey, welcome to the sneak peek of what is inside of bonus lesson number 6. Inquiries can linger on credit reports, impacting scores, and sometimes they're inaccurate or unauthorized. It's really common. The process of challenging and removing those inquiries is a routine. It's a vital task for credit repair professionals, but it doesn't have to be tedious. There is another way. In bonus video number 6, Chris O'Connell reveals the art of erasing inquiries seamlessly using AI. Geared for credit repair professionals, this exclusive sneak peek is going to cover utilizing ChatGPT to write letters that get results in the deletion of inquiries. Okay, we give you a ready-to-use template and expert tips. You're going to get specialized insights and strategies to make the inquiry removal process much more efficient. Go ahead and enroll today and discover how to erase inquiries efficiently and elevate your credit repair business with ChatGPT. Master the art of inquiry removal and give your clients a clean slate like they deserve. We'll see you on the inside.